Let's look at the specific business features that you can get from WhatsApp Business app. First, you get to create your own business profile on WhatsApp. It is just like having another Facebook page or LinkedIn page where you can have your website, you can have About Us section, you can post updates about your company, and a lot more. We will cover in more detail later on. You could label each customer. For example, you're gonna get a lot of chat messages from a lot of people. Now, sometimes you will forget who is who. You can actually create specific labels to identify specific customers. Customers who you need to respond by today or by tomorrow. So this label is just like a bookmark, a way for you to easily manage your customers. You could set working hours. This way, it allows people to know how fast you will respond to them. Because when you have a WhatsApp, people tend to want to have a quick response from you regardless of the time. They could be messaging you at night or at midnight. But by them knowing your working hours, or they should at least anticipate when they should get a response from you. You can set a short link, like a shortcut. With this link, people can just tap on this link on their phone and it will automatically launch your WhatsApp, and that's where they could contact you easily. How about setting predefined messages? Imagine that a lot of customers come and make inquiries. You want to have a simple way for you to respond to all these customers. Something like a copy and paste kind of function. So you can set predefined messages that you can send to all your new customers, for example. You can set an away message. If you're not available, they will get an auto response message saying that you are away. You could also set a greeting message, a default greeting message. Another trick is you can use quick replies. Quick replies are like shortcuts, where you can type a very short word that represents a longer text. For example, if you enter /THX, which actually means thank you so much. So when you type /THX, what will appear is actually the sentence, thank you so much. Or /hi, and you can define /hi to be, hey, hello, how can I help you? How are you doing today? So you can always customize this quick replies with any kind of messages that you want to send. Statistics. You could check how many messages that you send or receive, or how many messages that you delivered or received by your customers. That is another feature that you get on WhatsApp Business that you don't get on the general WhatsApp. And another feature that could be useful to you is that you can change the WhatsApp Business notification ringtone. So by changing this different ringtone, you could tell who actually sent you a message. Instead of having all the ringtones sound similar, you can set different ringtones to represent different customers.